Hey there, tech enthusiasts. This is Colin Cox, a cloud services and storage consultant, and this is what I do. Today, I'm diving into how you can secure your data like a pro using Microsoft Azure and Dell EMC solutions. Whether you're dealing with storage or fending off ransomware, I've got you covered. First up, let's talk about immutable storage on Azure. Azure's immutable storage helps you lock down your data, ensuring it can't be altered or deleted. This is a game changer for compliance and security, especially when ransomware is lurking around. Pair this with Data Domain Virtual Edition (DDVE) and you've got a rock-solid defense. Now, if you're thinking about data migration, it's not as daunting as it sounds. With a solid plan, you can move your data without a hitch. Implementing Commvault, IDPA, Dell EMC, Unity, and Dell Power Protect can streamline this process. These tools help you optimize storage and backup, making your data management both efficient and secure. One of the standout features I love is Avamar. Avamar takes data protection to the next level with its fast, reliable, and scalable backup solutions. Seriously, it's a lifesaver for large-scale projects. And let's not forget about Dell EMC, Unity, and Dell Power Protect. These solutions are essential for any large-scale data migration project. They ensure that your data is not only migrated efficiently, but also stored and backed up in the most secure way possible. So, if you're looking to optimize your data storage while safeguarding against threats, integrating Microsoft Azure with Dell EMC solutions is a no-brainer. Trust me, your future self will thank you. That's it for today, folks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.